MATLAB Day is a very good information ground for all of our customers, whether it's in the education or in the engineering world. Definitely, there are a lot of new technologies, new ways of doing things that all the attendees can bring back to the organization.
Yeah, I'm really happy to be at the MATLAB Day Singapore, and the key takeaway is really engaging and interacting with this very vibrant ecosystem of engineers and scientists who are covering so many different domains. I mean, we've got tracks on electrification, we've got tracks on signal processing, communications, model-based design, smart factories. I spoke about, the journey to more software-defined systems, and I found the engagement and the interaction to be really, really positive, really strong. I'm looking forward to much more that we can help engineers and scientists in Singapore do.
I'm interested in this application because they do the dual motor control with sensorless detection. It estimates the precision through the current and voltage.
I shared how we designed and deployed an autonomous concrete finishing robot using simulation and model-based design in MATLAB and Simulink, from virtual testing all the way to a real prototype. It allowed us to design the control algorithms, simulate the behavior, and test everything virtually before building. That saved us months of iteration time.
Today we are showing our research work in renewable energy system and smart grids. Using MATLAB and Simulink, we are able to simulate the power flow of the power grid, dynamic behavior of the system, as well as the fault study.
I'm really excited for MATLAB Day in Singapore. It's really good to see the energy of all the industry people and the academics who are here. People are asking very good questions about cutting-edge applications, and we're quite happy to participate and to learn more about what they're working on.
MATLAB Day 2025, super!